Hello?
Hey, Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Alita from Allstate, your insurance company. We had a chat last week about our auto insurance coverage. How's your day going so far?
It's okay. Just got in from working all day and fed the kids. How's your day?
Oh, I totally get it. Long days can be exhausting. My day's been pretty good, thanks for asking. Just here chatting with people about insurance. So last time we spoke, you were considering our proposal for the auto coverage. I'm just checking in to see if you've had a chance to review it and if there's anything you're unsure about or any questions you might have.
Um, no, not really. I've been shopping around with some other carriers, and I kind of like your price.
That's great to hear. We definitely strive to offer competitive prices without compromising on coverage. How about we go through the coverage details together? Sometimes tweaking a few things can make it more affordable without compromising the quality of coverage. Are you free to go over it now?
Yeah, I got a few minutes. What's going on?
Awesome. Let's dive into it. We offer various coverage types, including liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. Are you familiar with these, or would you like a brief overview?
No, I'm not too familiar with it. If you can give me a brief overview, that'd be great.
Sure thing. I'll give you a quick rundown. Liability coverage helps protect you financially if you're responsible for causing injuries or property damage to others in an accident. It includes bodily injury liability, which covers medical expenses and lost wages for the injured party, and property damage liability, which covers repairs or replacement of damaged property. Collision coverage, on the other hand, helps pay for repairs to your own vehicle if it's damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of who's at fault. Comprehensive coverage provides protection for damage to your vehicle caused by things like theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. These are just a few of the coverage types we offer. Based on your needs, we can customize a policy that suits you best. How does that sound so far?
Yeah, that sounds good. Let me get some comprehensive coverage. That sounds more important, like for what I need.
Absolutely. Comprehensive coverage is definitely a smart choice. It provides that extra layer of protection for your vehicle. Now let's talk about setting the right policy limits. These limits determine the maximum amount your insurance will pay out. How do you feel about your current policy limits, and are you looking for more protection or perhaps a more cost-effective solution?
Yeah, on the policy, I think I'm covered by $10,000. I was wondering if we can change that to 20,000.
Got it, Kenneth. Increasing your coverage limit to $20,000 is definitely doable. It's important to have adequate coverage to protect your vehicle. Now let's talk about the deductible. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Have you considered how the deductible amount affects your premium and your willingness to pay in case of a claim?
Yeah, I have. I saw the deductibles. It's $500. That's not a bad deductible. I can deal with that.
Absolutely. A $500 deductible is a common choice and can help keep your premium affordable while still providing coverage in case of a claim. Now let's talk about discounts. There are several discounts available that could significantly lower your premium. These include safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, and even discounts for anti-theft devices. Can I go through these discounts with you to see if you qualify for any?
Yeah, I got time. Go ahead.
Awesome. Let's see if you qualify for any of these discounts. First, we have a safe driver discount. Have you had any accidents or moving violations in the past few years?
No, I haven't.
That's great to hear, Kenneth. Being a safe driver can definitely help you qualify for a safe driver discount. Another discount we offer is a multi-policy discount. Do you have any other insurance policies with us, like home or renter's insurance?
Yeah, I got my home insurance policy.
Fantastic. Having multiple policies with us makes you eligible for a multi-policy discount. That's a great way to save on your premiums. Lastly, we also offer discounts for anti-theft devices installed in your vehicle. Do you have any anti-theft devices like an alarm system or a tracking device installed in your car?
Not exactly. I do have a dash cam. Does that count?
Absolutely. Having a dash cam can be considered an anti-theft device as it can help deter theft and provide evidence in case of an incident. That's great to hear, Kenneth. Based on the information you've provided, it looks like you qualify for the Safe Driver Discount, Multi-Policy Discount, and the Anti-Theft Device Discount. These discounts can significantly lower your premium. Now let's talk about the factors affecting premium costs. These include your driving history, the type of car you drive, and even your credit score. Can you tell me a bit about your current situation in these areas?
Can you repeat that? My what again?
Sure, no problem. I was just mentioning that factors such as your driving history, the type of car you drive, and even your credit score can affect your premium costs. So I was wondering if you could share a bit about your current situation in these areas.
Well, as far as my driving history, I've been driving since I was a teenager, so I've got about 15 years driving history. And the car I drive, it's a Ford F-150. And basically no accidents in a long time. I'm not sure if that helps.
That's great to hear, Kenneth. Having a long driving history without any recent accidents definitely works in your favor. And driving a Ford F-150 is a popular choice known for its durability and safety features. These factors can help lower your premium. As for your credit score, do you have an idea of where it stands? It's okay if you're not sure, we can still proceed.
Yeah, I haven't checked my credit score in a while, but I know I'm definitely in like the upper 600s, like 680 or something like that.
Got it, Kenneth. Having a credit score in the upper 600s is generally considered good, and it can positively impact your premium. Now, it's also important to be aware of any exclusions or limitations in your policy to avoid surprises. Are there any specific concerns or scenarios you'd like to discuss regarding what might not be covered?
Yeah, that's a good one. I really want like towing. Like if my vehicle breaks down, do I get like towing included?
Absolutely. Towing coverage is definitely an important consideration. I'm glad you brought that up. With our auto insurance policies, we do offer optional towing and roadside assistance coverage. This can provide you with peace of mind knowing that if your vehicle breaks down, you'll have assistance available. It's definitely worth considering adding this coverage to your policy. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss regarding coverage or any other concerns you have?
No, that's pretty much
but
it.
I didn't quite catch that. Could you please clarify? All right, Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah, I was saying nothing.
Kenneth Copeland.
Yeah, I got you. I was saying
No
nothing
worries,
really.
Kenneth got it. No problem at all, Kenneth Copeland. Based on our conversation, I'll put together a personalized insurance proposal for you. Thank you for taking the time to discuss your auto insurance options with me today. I'll summarize our conversation and send you a detailed proposal within 24 hours. It will include the recommended policy, coverage limits, deductibles, and any discounts you're eligible for. After you review it, we can schedule a follow-up call to address any questions or concerns. If you decide to proceed, I'll guide you through the application process, and once approved, send over your policy documents and explain how to access your policy online. Remember, you can always reach out for questions or changes to your policy. We'll also do periodic reviews to ensure your coverage meets your needs. Let's touch base next Tuesday to discuss any questions you might have after reviewing the proposal. I'm here to help make this process as smooth and understandable as possible. Have a great day.
All right, man. Thank you so much. You too.